this over here. Do the same thing. Got this pretty large gap. Poor fitment on my part. All I'm going to do though is bridge the gap. I need to adjust the sensitivity here. Sensitivity. I have to put all these flaps on this helmet because of the glares of the overhead lights. Bad for the camera. I'd like to point out we're using a button here, not a foot pedal. It's just an on and off switch. I know a lot of TIG welders ain't really used to that. We're just kind of unfamiliar with it, unfamiliar territory. But with anodized aluminum, it's about the only really way you can weld it. You can see that coating doesn't melt quite the same as regular aluminum. There's some maybe like a industry thing with marine. Kind of what every welder in this industry does. Switch to a button. And it carries over real nice into pretty much all your TIG welding. You know, I still like to use a foot pedal for stainless, as having that control is a little bit better, but depending on what I'm welding, if it's something quick with stainless, it's quicker to use this button here. Found the bucket. So, just doing the same thing. This gap ain't as big as the other side, so I don't really have to bridge it too much. I just go far enough to, like, when I flip this piece, I'll have a smaller weld. The kind of rule of thumb for me is you do more weld on your first pass if you're able to. That way when you flip it over on whatever you're working on, less ground to cover.